Yeah, I said I'm sad that's true. Because I have to go through this bullshit. I have no money. Used to have a fancy dancy lure where I had a multiplier. Whenever I killed some amount of enemies, it wouldn't go away unless I got hit. You're in bolts like you had none of us. And now, I don't give shit. Instead of get my ass kicked and die, all this other crap I don't want. It's not fair, man. It's just not fair. Aw. Well, that was a good amount of damn health. Holy shit. Yo, what's up, man? Holy crap, look at my bowl. Holy shit, I thought that said 18,000. I was like, hell yeah. Ah. My gun's close to level up, I'm close to death. Oh man, 2 hits. I can take 2 hits from anything and die on this planet. Scratch that, I can take more now. Actually, I don't take 2 hits anymore, do I? Because of the armor upgrade. Ah. Hell yeah. Well, that didn't help my gun at all, but made me happier. Yeah. What the hell? My god, man. Oh shit. Oh, come on. Hey, bull. I am you. Oh, I didn't. Oh, damn it. Well, that sucks. Wow. Oh, man.
In straight, you can hold down L2 or R2 while running sideways or backwards.
Yes. The HK-22 gun. It now shoots 3 at a time, motherfuckers. That's right. I said 3. You got a problem with me? You take it up with my referee. Itchy, itchy, itchy. My head is so itchy. Why? Damn. Alright, can these things reset? Thing just got owned by too many turrets. Or 3, I'm not sure anymore. Be right back, I'm gonna check something. Hello. I'm back again. Thought someone was gonna try to knock on my door or something like that, so I was like, okay, let's see who they are before they try to do that. Man, these guns are fucking lifesavers. Oh, my health is fully, well, it's mostly healed. Well, oh, whoa. Okay then. Bitch. Okay, are we done with the limp penis gun? Holy shit, my health is gonna be high up there by the time this thing. Like, I'll have max life before I ever finish this place. Burnt to a crisp with a lava gun. Whatever. Well, damn, boys and girls. Oh, shit. Oh, that was lame. Still slowing up my health again, though. So I feel special. Damn, look at my health, boys. Oh, shit. It became tiny. I remember my I really remember how much health you get in this game. I know you couldn't use it all. God damn, I'm stuck on nothing. Greg, give me ammo for the gun. I'm not really using all too much right now.
Nobody, I mean nobody, gets by the mathematician.
Guess all good things were taken.
Watch your mouth, Zero, before the mathematician subtracts your head from your shoulders.
Sir, as a fellow number cruncher, could I please ask what this is all about?
That moon's where we divide losers from winners before adding them to the Megacorp games. There's a challenger up there ready to reduce you to nothing.
This technology looks familiar. Perhaps I could.
Sweet. Think you can get us to that moon?
Superman, bitch. This is a giant robot battle. Now I can't wait till I play 3. Oh shit.
Hey, remember us?
Okay, that was quick. Yeah, but I can't wait until I get to the third game. Giant Clank scroll. Circle the missile, punch, fire, bomb strikes, and... Okay. Holy shit! Bam! For some reason, Clank is weaker for some unknown fucking reason. Even though this should be the same. Because, I mean, you know, Clank's a giant, big, fucking, huge-ass robot. Enemy's a tiny robot, and you've got to beat the shit out of this robot thing. Oh yeah, so which reminds me. That's how you destroy this boss. I don't know what to say, really, because this boss is kind of boring to me. Like, I personally don't prefer to fight him. Like, first of all, he gets, like, an unfair amount of health. And bam. Most of the time, you'll be running around trying to get health because this guy is impossible to beat. Fucking helicopters are annoying. Look at my health already. Look at it. Hey. Asshole. Fuck you. Fuck you. Fuck you. And fuck you. Where's my health already? Kind of, because your robots are fucking me over. Don't know how I'm getting my health back. I'm gonna go open the technology from this thing. Come on, bitch. And Lev Dumbass is destroyed. Bitch, got him.
Divide and conquer, huh? Yeah, guess you guys were prime after all. You're going to the Megacorp Games. Welcome to Megacorp Games, sponsored by Megacorp. Okay, Megacorp contestants, get ready to grapple with our Megacorp Gladiator team. And feature fighter and a Megacorp battle arena with our Mega Spider-Man and Mega Giant Clank. Then open the throttle for the all-Megacorp oversight race, brought to you by Team Megacorp Racing. Assuming the gears competition not all endure, functions to provide educated or even like by Megacorp. The first hero race. The Megacorp Games.
The Mega. Yeah, I don't feel like finding the Thug leader on Thug's magnificent planet. And I guess we can't do anything else on this planet until we get one thing he wants us to get. So let's go back. Whoop. Let's go. This is pretty cool looking though. Ah, full health, holy shit. Wow. I think there's a chance that thing will hit you, but it's really small. But I don't know. Holy shit, what? Okay, that's random. Oh god. Next planet. No what? Yeah, it was just. Let's just try something out real quick, okay? I just want to, go kill some.
Pay for 6 and the 7th is free. You want us to what? Whoa, wait a minute. That'd be an unethical conflict of interest. What kind of scum do you think we are? Say, that is a lot of bolts. Well, since you put it that way, I suppose we could undo our previous obligation. Excellent, sir. Thank you for choosing Thugs for Less. Attention all Thugs for Less personnel. We now have a new employer.
What? Oh! Oh, shit. Oh, crap. Ah, damn it.
Yeah, be right back.